Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning to another video. So today is day 2 of the small account challenge, and I'm in a position where I grew the account up 4.8%. I'm excited, and I can't complain. It's not that crazy, but I can't complain because it's a small account, and I'm just taking little small hits, base hits, and trying to get it to a bigger size. When I make more money, the more money I can use to actually trade, or more size I can use to trade. So I'm still getting used to trading with this platform, and I made some mistakes with this platform. I missed out on like 2 trades today, and I was a little bit frustrated, but I got over it and tried to get myself back in the groove. And it was to the point where I was scared to press the buy button, because I did not want to lose money based on an error. I'd rather lose money based on me being in full control versus missing out on either a trade or missing out on taking profit or cutting my loss because of an error in terms of what I did, in terms of either like the platform. The platform is perfectly fine. It's just me getting comfortable with the platform. But today I traded 2 stocks. I traded ARTL and I also traded BBBY. So I'm gonna pull over to the chart so you guys can see. So here you can see ARTL, and I took the first trade that I took was the one that I made a mistake. So I took a trade with let's see. I took a trade with ARTL and I got in right here. Let me see. I got in at I got in at 656, right? The price of 656 with 500 shares, and I sold at 640. And that was the mistake I made, where I thought I was trading in a live account, but I really wasn't. I was trading in my demo account, right? And one of the reasons why I'm taking these little small gains is because, like I said, I'm trying to get used to or being comfortable in this new atmosphere. So once I get my profit, you know, I'm gonna try my best to get in and get out. And it might sound backwards, but that's just how I feel, and I'm just gonna move how I feel that I need to basically be in that zone, right? So the next trade I took on ARTL, I got in at the price of what it was. I got in the price of, it was 635 with 500 shares, right? So 635. I need to put the arrow on here because I can't really tell exactly, but I think it was like what it was. It was 635. So 635. I got in here and I sold. I took a 15 cent gain, or 15 cent gain, and I got out at the price of 630. Was it 630? Let's see. It was 639. So I honestly didn't get out at 639. What happened was I got bad fills. I got some slippage on my exit because the price was at 640 something, and I pressed the sell button and I got filled at 39. I don't know why, but it is what it is, and I'm not gonna complain. How I was looking at it, I made profit, and that's how I'm perfectly fine, right? So after that, I took a trade on BBBY, and I got in at 26. Let's go to BBBY. The BBBY. I got in at the price at 26. 26. No, not 26. Sorry. I got in the price at 16. No, actually, sorry. Like I said, this is all new. So I got in the price at 26, right? I got in at 26 right around here. Around here. Let's zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see. The next time I'm gonna have the arrows situated so you guys could see a little bit better in terms of my entry. So I got in at 26 around here, and then it went up, came down a little bit, wasn't panicking. The stock is on fire. So I knew there was some support down here, and it started to rip up. And as soon as I started seeing it ripping up, I decided to take some profit. This was actually a 64-cent profit, and I got in and got out. 64 cents is good enough for me, and I made good profit on that. And I could have held that a little bit longer, but I decided just to take profit. Like I said, I'm trying to take base hits, and as you can see, because it was going up so heavy or strong, basically like the whole day, you had some whipsaw. So Now I'm looking here, you know, like you got the flush. So I'm looking here in terms of taking profit. And as you can see, as soon as it hit 28, it started flushing down and it's coming down a little bit more and it's retesting those area. But I took profit and that was it. You know, I didn't record this one, but the next tomorrow I'm gonna record my trades and I'm gonna post it up. So I think I took another trade on ARTL. Let me just double check if I did. I think that was it. I don't think I took any more trades with this stock. But yeah, that was really it, guys. So today I'm up $62.29, and this is after commission. And before commission, it's $82. You could do the math. The commission is a little bit high, but it is what it is. This is the platform I have to use to even do this challenge. And we'll see how it goes. Thanks for tuning in, guys. It's Key Life Trading. I'm out. See you tomorrow. Peace.